On most of our videos, Heath and I will usually go above and beyond on a lot of our shoe repairs. Now, the reason for that is because a lot of the people that are actually sending their stuff into us to have their shoes redone or their boots redone are paying premium prices. They want the best. And a lot of times that's what you guys are seeing on our videos. But that's not always the case with most people sending their shoes in to shoe repair shops. Most people want cost-effective, give me something that doesn't cost a lot of money but gets the job done. Well, today we're turning to Old Faithful, this iconic pair of Red Wing Moc Toe boots. Now, what can we do with just simple, no bells, no whistles, no frills, just a great resole? That is what we're going to do in today's project. So let's get right to it. All right, first thing I'm going to do is give these boots a bath. They're pretty dirty, so I want to get these cleaned up. And I'm just going to start off by saying this sink does not belong to us. Last time you guys gave us a lot of flack because of how dirty the sink is. We share this with a painting store, so blame it on them. All right, we're going to be adding a little sheet cork to this one today. We are currently out of the hot cork, so we're going to add some sheet cork to this one. Again, same thing, no difference. It's cork, so it still gets the job done. So guys, as we wait for the glue to dry on this pair of boots, I just wanted to mention one quick thing. Something that Heath and I have noticed recently as we've kind of looked back over comments and emails we've gotten over the years that we've had this channel. There's actually a lot of you that have emailed and commented to us letting us know how therapeutic our videos have been. I never would have thought that. But hey, there's a lot of folks out there with PTSD folks that have said they are in the hospital with illnesses, people who are going through rough changes in their life. And you've watched our videos and they're actually helpful to you. And we really appreciate that. And that's why when this company approached us and said, hey, we would really like to sponsor today's video, we looked at it and said, hey, you know what? This actually might be a good fit for a lot of folks out there going through any type of struggles in life. And that's why I want to tell you about today's video sponsor, which is BetterHelp. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist who is trained to listen and gives you helpful and unbiased advice. Life can be tricky at times, and seeking the help of professionals can provide valuable insights and guidance. First, you go to their site, and you can use our link, betterhelp.com/Trenton and Heath. You just answer a few questions, and BetterHelp can match you to a professional who has experience helping people with struggles just like yours. You can do it all from your phone or computer via phone call, video chat, or messaging. It's the easiest possible way to start chatting with a therapist. And look, I realize that not everyone always is a perfect match for some therapists. So if that's the case and you want to switch to another therapist, BetterHelp will allow you to do that at no additional cost. Let BetterHelp connect you to a therapist that can help you, all from the comforts of your own home. Visit betterhelp.com/Trenton and Heath. Or use Trenton and Heath at checkout to receive a special discount on your first month. Thank you, BetterHelp, for sponsoring today's video. All right, let's get these on the press, and then we'll get them stitched. All right, now for the really cool part. These are the Potter and Sons soles that we have made for ourselves. They are actually the same soles that Thorogood Boots uses on their boots. But anyway, so this little film on here protects the sole because this already has a primer built into it. And once you take this off, it is ready to be glued. I'm just going to put one really good thick coat on these, and that is all that it needs. Bit oversized, but that's okay. A lot of that's going to come off. Okay, we've completed this pair of Red Wing Moc Toes. Now, hey, before I show you what they look like, just a couple of quick reminders. Hey guys, we are running a sale today on potterandsons.com, actually today and tomorrow. So if you were looking to have any of your boots or shoes redone with the wedge style soles, so like the ones we used in today's video, either the Vibram Christys or the Potter and Son wedge soles, again, today and tomorrow, 20% off of those resole packages. And again, check us out at potterandsons.com. Also, it is still hot in most parts of the country. A lot of people are still going to the beach, still wearing flip-flops and sandals. So if that is the case for you, check us out at southernpolished.com and help support us there. It really means a lot to us and helps to keep our dream of making this little business successful. So we really appreciate it. Okay, what did we do to this pair of Red Wing Moc Toes? Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, most people, when they come into a shoe repair shop, they are not looking to spend a fortune. They're not looking to have their boot completely redone. Now, yes, there are a lot of you out there that want to do that, and a lot of the folks that send their shoes and boots to us, that's what they want. And that's what you guys see a lot of times on the videos. But for most people that walk into their local shoe repair shop, they're saying, hey, give me the basics. Do whatever you can do to fix this shoe or this boot at the bare minimum price-wise. And I get that. It's completely understandable. And that's what we wanted to do to this pair of Red Wings. Now, we didn't do any bells, no whistles, no frills. We didn't replace the welt or anything like that. This was a simple resole. They needed to be cleaned off. The soles were worn out. And it was very basic. We kept the welts on there, but we recorked it. We put new wedge soles on there, we conditioned them and made them look great. And the difference is, and I've seen this on some other shoe repair sites where everything is just glued on. In some cases, yes, maybe you have to glue some things on. But guys, we like to do it right. And in this case, we stitched it. Even though we didn't have a lot of room to deal with up near the front of the toe part, we still stitched those midsoles on before putting on the sole. And the boots are almost like brand new all over again, and he's going to get a lot of life out of these. So yes, a great resole can still be had at a price that is very affordable and isn't going to break the bank. So guys, that's just about it. And hey, if you enjoyed today's video, we'd really appreciate if you'd give us a like down below, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and comment down below. It really helps the channel to grow. And hey, check out one of these two videos that is coming up next. And until next time, y'all have a good one.